with my hands. Oh my gosh, I'm not eating this.
What?
I know what this is.
Well, describe it.
Do I have to?
Describe. Oh, it's super crunchy. I can hear that.
Okay, I know which one now.
You know which one?
Yeah. Okay, it's raw.
It's raw.
It's part of Thanksgiving food. Sometimes they're mashed. No, yeah, they are.
A potato?
You're so close.
Sweet potato?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh, okay, I think I know what this is. Wait. Hold on, wait, hold on. I don't know if I know what this is. A starch. That's what kind of food it is. It's a starch, and then you, I can't say that word, smush it.
Is it like mashed potatoes?
And with some, I think it has something else on it, like the thing that you put on mashed potatoes. You know what this is. It's like the classic mashed potatoes and?
Mashed potatoes and, bacon?
Bacon.
No, I put bacon on a baked potato.
What?
So that's the first thing that came to mind.
Okay, not bacon. You put like salt in it and you mix it all together. It's mashed potatoes and it's the classic, and you put it on the turkey, you put it on the mashed potatoes. How do you not know what this is? It's like a big part of Thanksgiving, if I'm right. It's like the juice of the turkey, you put it with salt, and it's kind of like a brown liquid. You have a little like saucer with, it's like, oh, can you pass the mashed potatoes and the?
Mashed potatoes and salsa?
Salt, what?
Salt
What?
and vinegar.
Mashed potatoes and gravy.
Why can't I guess that?
It's gravy.
What?
I don't know either. I said everything.
It's really flaky. And it's cold. Oh, I know this is disgusting. This is so nasty.
Wait, flaky and cold.
It's like a meat, I think.
Ham? A flaky meat. Turkey?
Oh, I know exactly. Okay, you eat this on Thanksgiving and it's a dessert, but it's like the one everyone thinks of. It's a specific kind.
Pumpkin pie? Yes. Wait, I can't grasp it. A little crumbly. Kind of gooey, kind of not. Something that you eat on Thanksgiving at the end, I think. No, never mind.
What?
Never mind, I'm sorry. It's what you eat with the meal. It's not dessert. It's crumbly though, and usually like yellow. Well,
Stuffing?
No. It's a bread of sorts.
Isn't that what stuffing is?
Oh, that's stuffing. It's a bread of sorts.
I think I give up.
Nope, you ain't getting no.